It's a new beautiful morning, totally unexpected. Almost no clouds, very nice weather. And now I just happened to stumble over this location, which wasn't really on my radar, but it's really amazing. There are like little huts and boats and more huts. And then in the background there's this big mountain here. No other tourists I saw here. Very quiet. It's a bit off the main road. The main road usually very busy, almost like a highway. Yeah, I think enough talking. Enough talking. Let's have a look. Yeah. During the day it's actually quite warm. When the sun is out and you're moving a lot, you get warm really fast. I think I have too much on, but it's necessary. If you stand with your camera, then it's very helpful. Especially at night with your auroras, you need all the warmth. At least I do. I don't know how other people do it. Other people might just, put on one pants, one shirt, and then they're good for the night. Yeah, if it starts snowing now, blizzard, no problem. I'm prepared. Okay, I think done talking. Let's. It's always nice to do these sessions when the sun shines right in the face. It's a pleasant experience. But what other choice do I have? If I would film against the sun, then the background would be all blown out, and on my face you could barely see, right? Man, I talk so much bullshit.
True, it's bullshit.
There's nothing else to do.
Do you have some secrets?
Forget it.
Why don't you tell
Why?
me? Come
Forget
on.
it, dude.
Is it some secret?
No,
Tell me,
forget it.
come
I'll
on.
talk to you later.
Well, whatever.
People are very strange these days.
There's no one else here right now except for the cat, which now vanished. Yeah, the cat is pretty much gone. So yeah, what can I do? I can only talk to the audience. Almost 100 people now. I checked. I think 98. 98. I don't know, should I make a big celebration when I hit the 100? Maybe we can aim to get like 5 likes on this video. How about that? 5 likes? Maybe 10 likes. 10 likes on this video. Stretch goal, 15 likes. Would that be possible? 15 likes? That would be a reasonable amount to celebrate. You see, I keep talking bullshit.
I used to know a girl. She had a dozen guys. One of them found out about it, beat her up so bad she ended up in a hospital on Guerrero Street.
What a story, Mark.
There's some clouds now popping up, which obviously is good now, but bad for auroras. Composition-wise, I would say it's nice. It's a very nice composition. We have a lot of time, so I might just move here now. Oh, the cat is back. Hello, cat. Scratch on the tripod again. Yeah. I really like this image. Super. This is how I basically work. I just stand there and take images. I'm a bit tired already, but the night just starts and need to keep my eyes open for the mighty aurora. Hopefully it will pop up right in the face. That will be good. Too weak. Very weak aurora. Very weak. This definitely aurora is just too strong. Very weak. Alright, so yeah, that's it. That's the end of the vlog. I got everything that I wanted, except for the super aurora. that unfortunately didn't happen. There was always a bit of aurora in the sky, but not really strong. Seagulls are crazy in the morning. As soon as the sun comes up and the first light hits the mountains, they go total apeshit. They fly around, they scream. Crazy. I don't know, maybe they're just excited. I don't scream when I see mountains. But I did see people screaming when they saw the aurora, just like the seagulls. Big aurora right above them, and then whoa. So yeah, there could be excitement. Okay, I think we're done. Then I end the vlog here. Smash the likes, and see you next. No, not see you next time. Until next time.
What a story.